I recently bought a used Softub 220. It was made in 2007 and is a digital model. It doesn't stay on for more than a few hours, then starts cycling on, off every 5 minutes. I had a repairman come out and he told me it was the circuit board, but then he never came back to fix it and it has been a few weeks. I am wondering how difficult it is to replace the circuit board, and if it is something I could do myself with some guidance. Also need to know which part and where to get it.
Hello, how can I help you today? Yes, most circuit boards are pretty easy to replace if you just take your time. Normally a 30-minute job or so. Now to know how much is involved and what board we'd need, I'd need to see a picture of your control pack with the cover off, or any information you can get me off of the board itself as well as your SPA information. Once I see the board, I can walk you through switching it out and get you the information you need to order a new board.
I tool a picture of the controls, and with the cover off, the back of the box. Let me know what else would be helpful to you, and where to find it.
That should be all I need. Once I see it, I can let you know if there's anything else.
Sorry, having a hard time inserting photos from my iPad. Give me a minute.
No problem.
Is there an email or somewhere I can send them to? It won't let me paste them in this context.
Let me switch out of chat, it's usually easier to send them that way. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. Try it now and see if they'll come through. Okay, got those. Do you happen to have one of the circuit board inside that black box?
No, do I just unscrew the sides of the box and it is inside there?
Yes. Okay, that might be what I need. Let me do some looking, and I'll get back with you. Thanks, Jeff. NNNNNNNNNS should be the board you need, but I can't quite read the information on the control chip on the board, but this is the board used on all of their digital models including the 220. It's usually pretty easy to change them out if you take a picture and make sure all your wires go back to the same positions.
Do you have a recommendation on where to order the part?
http://www.poolspacair.com/softhubcircuitboards.html. This is just a random site, but you might look around on eBay as well to see if you can find any better pricing on it.
Okay, I think that is the best place to find the part, too. I can't seem to find it anywhere else. Besides the board, what type of tools would be required to remove the old board and put in the new one once it is received? Is it simply a matter of unplugging and replugging in the wires, with a few screws, or put it back into place? I'm just trying to get an idea of what I'm taking on before investing in the part.
Pretty much just a Phillips head screwdriver and maybe some needle nose pliers to pull the wires, but other than that it's an easy replacement. Figure maybe 30 minutes max to change it out yourself.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.